Oh, by the way, if you watch the fishing segment in the 5:30 newscast, I said that Trey caught a barracuda. That was a kingfish. Even better, he caught a kingfisher. He sent me an email real quick, said it was good, but he got the fish messed up. Anyway, fishing out there is pretty good today in the bay. Pretty calm conditions, a little bit breezier than yesterday. And that's going to be the story. Wind is going to pick up throughout the day on Saturday, more so Sunday. Small craft advisories will be issued as early as tomorrow evening for coastal waters. Some showers and storms to the north of us. Not much going on here. It's quiet and will stay that way overnight. And tomorrow, too, it's not going to be a rainy day tomorrow. We'll see maybe an isolated shower pop up inland due to the warm temperatures. Highs tomorrow will be in the upper 70s to low 80s. 72 right now. Beautiful out there. 66 on the dew point. That's up. Winds out of the south at 9 and the pressure 2997. No rainfall to report. And the high today was 77 degrees. Our normal high at 71, 86, the record set in 1990, so a very hot day there in 1990. No rainfall, we're about a half inch below average. Temperatures statewide, all in the 70s right now, 72 in Sarasota, 79 into Orlando, and low 70s right near the water. Mid-70s inland in Wauchula, Arcadia, and Mayaca City at this time. Forecast for Saturday looks good, just a little bit breezier. We'll see a little bit of fog in the morning, then partly cloudy skies. Temperatures warming, upper 70s right through the day, and should be a windy day, although not a rainy day. You'll notice on the forecast here, we're not calling for any rainfall around here. Some big storms to the north of us, and then those storms kind of gather and then push our way. There's a chance for a few spotty showers on Sunday morning. But as we push through time, the best chance will be the squall line that develops in the afternoon and evening and pushes through out ahead of the actual cold front. Now, that cold front is not going to produce the rough weather. It will be that line of showers and storms out ahead of it, which will produce the potential for winds gusting as high as 60 miles an hour, frequent lightning strikes, some heavy rainfall at times. And as I mentioned, the isolated tornadoes a possibility, but not much a chance of that happening at this point. Rainfall amounts will be up near an inch to 2 inches in northern portions of Manatee County, Hillsborough, and Pinellas, and up to about a half inch as you travel southward into South Sarasota County, so lesser amounts to the south. As far as the winds go, not too bad throughout the morning on Saturday, picking up in the afternoon out of the south at 10 to 15. And then by Sunday, we're going to see gusts as high as 25 to 30 miles an hour. That will cause some piling of the water along the coast. We could see some minor beach flooding and coastal flooding. And we're expecting high tide in the evening on Sunday to be around 8 o'clock, and that will bring the possibility of some localized flooding. Wave heights will be significant, too. As we move through time, we'll see waves up to 10 to 14 feet high by Sunday afternoon and Sunday night. So small craft stay in port for the most part on Sunday afternoon. As far as the satellite and radar picture goes, a few showers in the nation's capital earlier. That has since moved on. Not much else going on for us. Lots of watches and warnings out west in the western states. We look at like this for tomorrow. Mostly cloudy skies in the morning with some fog around, and then becoming partly cloudy. South winds at 15 knots. Seas will be 2 to 4 feet. UV index will be an 8 for area beaches throughout most of the day. Water temperature at 70, and that's warm. The tides upcoming, Sarasota Bay just in a little bit, a high tide, another one at 9:01 tomorrow morning. Tonight, some fog, 64, warm, low temperature. Tomorrow, fog burns off, partly cloudy, breezy and warm, a high of 79. And then we wait for the storms Sunday afternoon and evening, turning cooler on Monday, and then warms quickly back up by Wednesday. We'll be right back after this.